5 million client email addresses, 2 million client names, and the integrity of a failing, lying, and cheating company. I'm talking about Robinhood and how they just got hacked. Let's talk. Welcome back to Key Talks, guys, and today we're talking about how Robinhood got hacked. On Monday, the mobile app digital exchange Robinhood posted an announcement on November 3rd on its site that it experienced a security breach and more than 7 million members' accounts got hit. Now, fortunately, there was no financial loss. The cyber attack started when a rogue third party manipulated a Robinhood customer support employee by phone. Using social engineering tactics, the individual obtained unauthorized access to various customer support systems and client databases. The scammer downloaded a data panel comprising of email addresses for 5 million people and full names of 2 million other people in a different data set. Now here's the big question. If you're affected by this, how in the world are you supposed to protect yourself, right? Well, from personal experience, I can tell you one of the most important things that you want to do, especially coming from being in crypto, if a company gets hacked, the first thing you want to do is call your phone service provider. There's a pretty good chance that your information is out there and that your phone number is out there. And if someone has this information, they can do identity theft on you. So what I do is I call my cell phone provider and then I tell them, hey, listen, no one has the right to port my number over to a different phone. Why should you tell this to a phone service provider? Because if somebody has your identity and they call your phone provider, then what they can do is something called a SIM swap attack, meaning they have your identity, so they just tell them that you're who you say you are, and then you want to switch your phone number over to a different SIM card, put it in a different phone. As soon as they have that, they'll connect that phone into a computer, hack into all your accounts, shut down your email, get rid of everything, and try to get all your crypto out of your accounts, or maybe try to log into your bank account, or so on. You do not want to be in that situation. So one of the most important things you want to do is right away call your cell phone provider, protect yourself from a SIM swap attack. Number 2 thing you want to do is get a password book immediately. Just find an empty notebook laying around in your house, or just get a bunch of pieces of papers and change all of the passwords to all of your accounts. After you do that, get a second email as well. Just in case your actual primary email does get hacked, you're going to be stuck because you probably have that as a backup and your phone number as a backup to all of your other accounts. So what do you need to do? Get a new email. Change your password on your existing email. Make sure everything has a different password. Well, how are you going to remember this? Simple. It's written down already in your password book, so you have nothing to worry about. And of course, number 3, make sure you have 2FA Authenticator set up on your phone. Whether it's Google Authenticator or any other app, you can use them, and they provide a number for you, and the number resets itself every few seconds. So you can use that also to protect yourself as a third measure. I hope you found this video very useful. If you got affected by Robinhood hack, make sure you take those steps that I mentioned earlier. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. Please like this video, give it a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell. If you have any questions, just comment down below in the description, and I'll promise to get to you as soon as I can. Take care.